Hi guys, it's Colin from bashbackpain.com here. I have got a huge announcement for you today. My lower back pain, sciatica nerve pain recovery challenge has gone live. That's right. If you're out there suffering from sciatica nerve pain, chronic lower back pain, bulging discs, herniated discs, stenosis, various lower back complications, this course is for you. Okay? It's a 21-day video course where I guide you through every single day myself on the video, various exercises, various stretches, in a very progressive fashion to bring you to the point of significantly reduced pain, and in some cases you will be pain-free. Now, if you follow my channel for a little while, you'll know I do focus primarily on the lower back area with various decompression stretches, various muscular stretches, and some exercises as well to strengthen your core. Well, this course goes above and beyond that, puts it all into a proper rehabilitation type format for you guys to follow. There's some things you've never seen before. We're going to various things like, how to set up your desk for work, how to sleep properly, how to move properly, all to bring you reduced, of course, pain in that region, lower back, sciatica nerve pain. Now, my own story, for those that don't know, I myself was in that position. Okay, I was like yourself there, some of you guys at home, herniated discs, sciatica nerve pain. I was living on the floor. My pain was so bad, I was living on the floor, right? I was popping pills. I'd get up to move across, so I tried to stand up one day. I remember this, the sweat just poured from my brow. The pain was so intense in my leg, But I took a long, hard look at myself because there was one thing I had many people don't have, and that was experience. I'd actually learned from some of the best people in the business when it came to strength and rehabilitation. People such as Benjamin Prentice, the late great Charles Poliquin, and Dr. Guy Voyer, a very, very famous osteopath from France. They taught me over the years various techniques, and I looked at myself and said, wait, Colin, you can do this. You've got the knowledge to bring yourself back. And I did, much to the surprise of my doctor at the time, because I'd been offered the solution. Surgery, you can get surgery next week. Not a problem, Colin. I was in the USA, could be done like that, yeah? But I'd read the literature, I'd read the scientific research, I knew it probably wasn't the best course of action for myself, so I went back to my books, back to the knowledge I'd learned from those famous men, and brought myself back to where I am at this time, okay? Fit, healthy, can do what I want to do. And over the next 10 years, I managed to refine it, went into the literature, got some more research-based evidence on lower back rehabilitation work, and I brought all this together to create my own specific program, which I've used now for 10 years plus, worked with hundreds of people, both in Europe and in the USA, all brought great results, which is reduced their pain, or in many, many cases, removed their pain completely. Now, the course itself, I said, it's 21 days. If you've not significantly reduced your pain after that 21 days, then hit me up. You'll get 100% money back guarantee on that course, okay? So listen, you've got absolutely nothing to lose, all right? So listen, the course itself, if you look down below in the description, you'll see the course link. You can go and check out the page there. Talks more about what's involved in the course, a little bit more about me, sort of FAQ section, okay? As I said, guys, you've got nothing to lose. If you're out there right now suffering from that pain, lower back pain, herniated disc, you've spent thousands on decompression therapy, thousands of chiropractors, and you're still in the same position, you've nothing to lose. Check it out today. See you next time.